Okay, so you've heard all the buzz around generative AI, right? Let's actually turn that buzz into something you can use. In this little creative playbook, we're going to transform this amazing technology from a cool idea into a practical, powerful tool for creating absolutely stunning visuals for any project, brand, or business you can dream up.
Look, we have all been there. You've got a brilliant idea, a killer product, a message that the world needs to hear. But the visuals you have to work with? Ugh. They're either generic stock photos, kind of blurry phone pics, or just, well, they're not exactly inspiring, are they?
You might be starting with something exactly like this. It's a dress. It has potential, for sure. But let's be real. A photo taken on the floor isn't going to stop anyone mid-scroll. This is the exact struggle that marketers, founders, and creators are dealing with every single day.
And this isn't some unique problem that only you are facing. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, launching a startup with a product that hasn't even been made yet, or trying to run a marketing campaign, you are in a constant battle to feed the beast that is visual content.
So let's just reframe this whole problem. Instead of thinking of generative AI as this super complex, techie, unapproachable thing, I want you to think of it as your new creative partner, one that's ready to work for you 24/7 to bring your wildest ideas to life.
We're going to approach this like a creative ladder. And the very first rung, the absolute easiest entry point, is learning how to take the assets you already have and transform them into the assets you actually need.
The two main tricks we're going to use here are image to image, which lets you completely restyle a photo, and something called outpainting, which is a total game changer. It basically lets you expand the canvas and build an entire world around your original picture. It's like magic.
So, let's make this real. Imagine you run a restaurant. You've got this clean, but honestly kind of boring photo of a pasta dish. Your goal is to create a banner ad for a lunch special that makes people's mouth water. So how do you get from this lonely plate of pasta to a full, inviting scene? You use outpainting.
And this right here is the secret sauce. You just give the AI a prompt, a simple text description of the scene you want to build around your pasta. Suddenly, you're not just a photographer anymore, you're a director, telling the AI exactly what world to create. The big takeaway here is you can turn even the most basic photos into professional-looking assets just by getting good at writing prompt.
All right, let's climb up to the next level. What happens if you don't even have a photo to start with? This is where it gets really fun. We're going from enhancing reality to creating it completely from scratch, using nothing but your words.
Here's the classic scenario. Your cafe is about to launch a brand new cheesecake. It's ready to go, but you have 0 photos for the big social media announcement. The problem? No assets. The AI solution? Generate the perfect, most delicious-looking photo you've ever seen in minutes.
And just like before, all the power is in the prompt. But look at the level of detail we're using here. We're not just saying cheesecake. We're talking about the strawberries, the white plate, the cup of coffee, the cozy cafe interior. The more descriptive you are, the closer the AI gets to the exact image you have in your head.
Now, what's really mind-blowing about this is that it goes way beyond food. Think about a startup. You can create these gorgeous, commercial-ready images of your product for your marketing, for your investor pitches, before the first prototype even exists.
I mean, you could launch an entire ad campaign for a new lemonade brand just with a prompt like this. This describes a product that is completely imaginary, but the AI can create a visual so convincing your customers will feel like they can already taste it.
So we've upgraded photos we already have, and we've created brand new ones from scratch. Let's climb to the final level on our ladder, using AI to build a whole cohesive visual world for your brand. This is about more than just one picture. It's about creating an entire identity.
And wow, this just perfectly illustrates the power we're talking about. On the left, you've got a simple black and white line art sketch of a perfume bottle. It's just an idea. And on the right, you have a fully realized, photorealistic product shot that's ready for a magazine cover. And the bridge between those two images? You guessed it, it's this prompt. It takes the basic shape from the sketch and it adds the texture, the color, the lighting, the whole vibe. It turns a simple concept into a tangible, beautiful asset.
Now here's a pro tip for true brand consistency. You can get incredibly specific. You can literally feed the AI your brand's exact color palette using hex codes. This means every single illustration, background, or icon it makes for you will be perfectly, and I mean perfectly, on brand.
And it doesn't just stop at colors and backgrounds. You can create entire brand worlds, complete with your own unique characters.
Imagine developing a mascot, like this cute little robot here, and then generating a whole set of stickers and illustrations that show off its personality.
And hey, let's make this immediately useful. You can take those character images and turn them into a real Telegram sticker pack. It's so easy. It's just 5 simple steps. First, find the Add Stickers bot in Telegram. Then, start a new pack, upload your AI-generated images, assign an emoji to each one, and hit Publish. Seriously, it's an incredibly easy way to give your brand a really fun, interactive voice.
Okay, we've climbed the whole ladder, from enhancing photos all the way to building brand worlds. But before we finish up, I have to give you a quick peek at the next frontier in this creative partnership. This is the bonus level.
Just take a look at this. It's a beautiful, unbelievably detailed 2D image of this ornate, metallic horse head. I mean, the textures, the lighting, the sheer craftsmanship. It's just a stunning piece of digital art.
Now, imagine taking that image, or any image, and just telling an AI to turn it into a fully interactive 3D model that you can spin around, use in augmented reality, or even 3D print. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. That is what is happening right now.
So, the tools are here. They are more accessible and more powerful than they have ever been. We've seen how you can upgrade photos, create visuals from thin air, and build entire brand worlds. Your new creative partner is ready and waiting for you. The only question left is, what are you going to imagine first?